Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a watch. A certain watch. And what is it? It's an Islander. Yeah. Wow. In each order you get yourself a tool. I already got a tool for one Islander, and here's another one for this particular one. Which particular one is this one? Oof, it's silver, and I got it in a coupon sale, by the way. Really, I recently got this one. Just admire the design of this one. Look at it, folks. And which model number is it? Is anybody wondering? You saw it in the title, you know what it is. This particular one would be a ISL 04 embossed ceramic bezel. That's right. And folks, look at it. It's magnificent. I wish I could get my hands on the Pepsi one with a Jubilee, but who knows. But it is wrapped up tight. Maybe I'll just open it, but I'll just leave you open it for this part. Decent weight, yes. It's got the Islander on the clasp. And the logo. Maybe we should just open it anyway. What the heck? Won't hurt to open. But man, it's kind of difficult to open this. Oh, here we go. Alrighty, I kept some of the plastic in, but I opened it. So here it is, right in front of you, folks. Right in front of you. It's moving, huh? Alright, you see the details, and it has the movement, which is obviously you can find it in the online description. Like I said, it's going to be the link is going to be in the description box. So here it is, the Islander, and the back of it's the lighthouse. Obviously, is in Long Island, and that's where the designer of the watch, Mark from Long Island Watch. Shouts to you, Mark. And I gotta say, amazing piece. Let's see the bezel action, shall we? Ooh. Definitely sounds like a safe. Yep. There we go. Very embossed, beautifully. One more look at the back. Magnificent, isn't it? Can't get any better than that. And you got the Islander. Yes, on the clasp. There, and you can easily open and close. Open it up, and there's 3 holes you can adjust it. Very cool on the sapphire glass. Very big. See how it looks on my wrist for a moment. Well, I haven't adjusted it. Just have to adjust it. So we got a couple viewings before we start putting the music. Now, let's get to the music. Alright, folks, so with all out of the way, let's play music from 2023 for 12% This Watch with a song called Hooligan by the Smashing Pumpkins. If anybody remembers the Smashing Pumpkins in the 90s, they had great hit songs, including this year. So with that, let's play a song to represent this year. It's called Hooligan by the Smashing Pumpkins. Enjoy, folks. That was Hooligan by the Smashing Pumpkins. And also, what do you guys think of this song? And also, if anybody born in the 80s or the early 90s have ever heard of, or if anyone born over the years in the 90s or the 70s or 60s, does anyone remember the Smashing Pumpkins? Tell me which is your favorite soundtrack from any of their albums of throughout the years. Let me know in the comments. And also, my opinion, this music should have been used in the ending credits of Guardians of the Galaxy 3. Yeah, in my opinion, that song should have fit better in the movie. And yeah, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, if you have any opinions, comments down below, but always appreciate the thumbs ups. So yeah, and I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos, whether it be the afternoon hours or the evening hours. So yeah, check me out any day of the week. I'm in the community. So yeah, let's give a shout out to the watch collectors, the physical media collectors, toy collectors, and all you collectors out there. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all, and Feliz Navidad.